Aster buds.
Hey Aster buds! Welcome to an exciting journey into the vibrant world of vegetables. Today, we'll dive into different types of vegetables and how they are classified into different categories, their unique characteristics, and how they add magic to our meals. Whether you're a food enthusiast or a curious learner, this video is for you. Vegetables are classified based on the edible parts of the plant they come from. This classification helps us understand the types of vegetables, their roles in cooking, and their nutritional significance. Vegetables are broadly classified into 11 categories. Root vegetables. Root vegetables grow underground and store energy in their roots, making them rich in carbohydrates. They are known for their earthy flavor and high fiber content. Examples of root vegetable are carrots, beets, radishes, turnips, sweet potatoes, ginger, etc. Key characteristics: grown underground, provide energy and fiber, often used in soups, stews, or roasted dishes. Leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables are primarily the leaves of plants and are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Examples of leafy vegetables are spinach, lettuce, kale, Swiss chard, arugula, etc. Key characteristics: rich in iron, calcium, and vitamin K. Low in calories, making them excellent for salads and smoothies. Often consumed raw or lightly cooked. Fruiting vegetables. These are vegetables that develop from the flowers of plants and contain seeds. Despite their botanical classification as fruits, they are used as vegetables in cooking. Examples of fruiting vegetables are tomatoes, bell peppers, eggplants, zucchini, cucumbers, pumpkins, etc. Key characteristics: contain seeds inside. High in vitamins A and C. Versatile in cooking, eaten raw, grilled, or roasted. Gourds and melons. Gourds and melons also the fruit vegetables. But we put them in a different category for the convenience in differentiating them with other fruiting vegetables and their uses. This category includes vegetables with hard skins and seeds, often related to the gourd family. Examples of gourds and melons are bottle gourd, bitter gourd, snake gourd, zucchini, etc. Key characteristics: low calorie and hydrating. Often used in soups, stews, or stir-fries. Some have a slightly bitter taste. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables belong to the cabbage family and are rich in sulfur compounds, which may have cancer-preventive properties. Examples of cruciferous vegetables are broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, etc. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous family, Brassicaceae. However, it is also categorized as a leafy vegetable because its primary edible portion consists of its leaves. Key characteristics: high in fiber and vitamin C. Strong, distinctive flavors. Best steamed or lightly sautéed. Bulb vegetables. Bulb vegetables grow underground and are known for their strong flavor and aroma, which enhances many dishes. Examples of bulb vegetables are onions, garlic, shallots, leeks, scallions, etc. Key characteristics: provide a strong base flavor for cooking. Contain compounds beneficial for heart health. Used in almost every cuisine. Stalk and stem vegetables. These vegetables are the edible stems or stalks of the plant. They are often crunchy and refreshing. Examples of stalk and stem vegetables are celery, asparagus, rhubarb, etc. Key characteristics: low in calories. Provide fiber and hydration. Used raw in salads or cooked in soups and stir-fries. Tubers. Tubers are enlarged underground stems that store starch and nutrients. Examples of tubers are potatoes, taro, cassava, etc. Key characteristics: high in carbohydrates and energy. Versatile in cooking, fried, baked, boiled. Staple foods in many cultures. Pod vegetables, also known as legumes. These vegetables come from plants that produce pods with seeds inside. Many legumes are also dried and consumed as pulses. Examples of pod vegetables are green beans, peas, lentils, chickpeas, okra, etc. Key characteristics: high in protein and fiber. Excellent for vegetarian and vegan diets. Used in soups, curries, and salads. Herbs as vegetables. These are plants whose leaves or tender shoots are used as vegetables for their aromatic or medicinal properties. Examples of herbs as vegetables are mint, parsley, dill, coriander, etc. Key characteristics: add flavor and aroma to dishes. Contain antioxidants and essential oils. Often used fresh or dried in small quantities. Other vegetables. This is a diverse category for vegetables that don't fit neatly into other classifications. It includes mushrooms, fungi, and uncommon regional vegetables. Examples of other vegetables are mushrooms, lotus root, bamboo shoots, corn, etc. Key characteristics: unique textures and flavors. Often high in fiber and vitamins. Widely used in regional and international cuisines. Now let's see why these categories matter in cooking and nutrition. Ease of use in cooking. Different vegetables behave differently in recipes. Knowing their categories helps in choosing the right cooking method. Nutritional diversity. Categorizing vegetables ensures a balanced intake of nutrients, from energy-rich root vegetables to vitamin-packed leafy greens. Cultural relevance. Some categories, like gourds and melons, are integral to certain cuisines and traditions. If you observe the root vegetables, bulb and tuber vegetables, all of these vegetables grow underground. But what makes the difference? Let's dive deep into it and understand the difference. Root vegetables. Root vegetable is the primary root of the plant that grows downward. It acts as the plant's anchor in the soil to absorb water and nutrients. They are single, solid root and continuous in texture. Example: carrots, beets, radishes. Root vegetables store nutrients for the plant. They are high in sugars, starch, and water content. Bulb vegetables. Bulb vegetable also grows underground, and it's a rounded storage organ made up of layers of fleshy, modified leaves or scales surrounding a central shoot. Serve as a nutrient reserve which helps sprout leaves and help the plant regrow during the next growing season. Example: an onion stores food in its fleshy layers, which eventually sprout into leaves. Bulb vegetables contain compounds like sulfur, contributing to strong flavors and aromas. Tubers. Unlike roots, tubers are modified stems that store starch, which helps the plant regrow. Enlarged, irregular, or rounded structures, often knobby with buds or eyes that can sprout into new plants. Tubers store energy for the plant. Example: a potato is a tuber that has eyes, nodes, capable of producing a new plant. Tubers are rich in carbohydrates and energy, used for regrowth during dormant periods. While root, bulb, and tuber vegetables all grow underground, their roles in the plant's life cycle and their structures differ. Roots primarily absorb nutrients, bulbs store food in modified leaves, and tubers are modified stems that can regrow new plants. Understanding these differences enhances our appreciation of how diverse and adaptable plants are in storing energy and nutrients. Now let's see the difference between leafy vegetables and herbs as vegetables. Leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables are edible leaves of plants primarily grown for their foliage. Typically grown as standalone plants for their foliage. Primarily consumed as a main ingredient in meals for nutrition and volume. Examples of leafy vegetables are spinach, kale, lettuce, cabbage. Leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, considered a key part of a balanced diet. They have a mild, neutral, or slightly bitter taste, depending on the variety. Eaten raw in salads, cooked in dishes, or blended in smoothies. Shelf life of leafy vegetables is moderate. Wilts faster than herbs due to high water content. Herbs as vegetables. Aromatic plants whose leaves, stems, or flowers are used for flavoring, garnishing, or medicinal purposes. Herbs are used in smaller quantities primarily to enhance the taste, aroma, or medicinal value of a dish. Examples of herbs are mint, coriander, basil, and parsley. Often packed with antioxidants and bioactive compounds, used more for health benefits and flavor. Herbs have strong, distinctive flavors, can be sweet, tangy, or pungent. Used as a garnish, spice, or flavor enhancer in both raw and cooked dishes. Shelf life of herbs is typically longer due to lower water content and aromatic compounds. Leafy vegetables like spinach and lettuce are eaten as the primary part of meals, offering essential nutrients and forming the base of many dishes. Herbs like mint and basil, on the other hand, are used to add flavor, aroma, and medicinal value to recipes, typically in smaller quantities. Both play crucial but distinct roles in cooking and nutrition. That's a wrap. Now you know about the wonderful types of vegetables and what makes them so special. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore the nutritional values of each of these veggies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights.